for the entire family to have a happy and safe experience. Several considerations should be taken into account while selecting a cruise for kids. The best family cruises use a process that takes into account health ratings, reputation among experts, and favorability among families with both younger and older children, in order to help you find a trip that suits your family's needs. The following cruise lines and locations have a reputation for being family-friendly. The best cruise line for families is Disney Cruise Line. Disney Cruise Line. Disney cruises provide a variety of activities for kids of all ages and are created with families in mind. They offer specific food options, kids clubs, family-friendly entertainment, and themed character interactions. Additionally, the cruise ships of the line provide adult-only dining rooms, calm pool areas, and nightlife alternatives. Royal Caribbean International is ranked number 2 among family-friendly cruise lines. Royal Caribbean International. Royal Caribbean has a variety of kid-friendly activities and amenities, including as water parks, arcades, sports facilities, and age-specific kids clubs. A few of the cruise line's ships have ice rinks and rock-climbing walls, while others have zip lines, bumper cars, and water slides. Every ship also offers entertaining and informative activities for kids and teenagers, as well as a selection of nightly performances, pubs, and lounges for older passengers. The third best cruise line for kids is Carnival Cruises' Carnival Cruise Line. You and your traveling companions can save some money on a trip packed with family-friendly extras thanks to Carnival's frequent promotions and affordable rates. For the entertainment of children of all ages, cruise ships are equipped with water parks, basketball fields, and ropes courses. Adults can go to the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat, the spa, or the casino in the interim. The fourth best cruise line for families is Norwegian Cruise Line. Family-friendly cruises from Norwegian Cruise Line include amenities including water parks, ropes courses, and kid-focused activities. Families are welcomed by Norwegian's vibrant cruise ships, a wealth of amenities, and kids groups. Kids can participate in supervised youth activities where they can learn to juggle, enjoy arts and crafts, or attend themed parties while adults unwind at the spa or gamble at the casino. Additionally, all of the line's restaurants, including specialty diners, provide children's menus. The fifth best cruise line for families is MSC Cruises. Children under the age of 18 who are traveling in the same cabin as their parents are welcome to sail for free on a number of MSC cruises according to the company's Children Cruise Free program. Additionally, MSC cruise ships include kids and teen clubs with events like Lego games, dancing lessons, and sporting competitions. The entire family can also engage in activities like swimming in the pools and bowling competitions. Water parks, kids clubs, and family-friendly entertainment events are just a few of the family-friendly services provided by MSC Cruises. To add to the fun, they frequently collaborate with well-known children's businesses. The sixth best cruise line for children and families is Costa Cruises. Costa's fleet-wide programming for cruisers ages 3 to 11 includes activities like arts and crafts, treasure hunts, and pool parties. There are plenty of pools and water parks to enjoy in addition to musicals and theater performances on Costa's onboard entertainment. Parents might spend time together at a spa or casino in the meanwhile. They frequently have cruises with routes in the Mediterranean and other places that are suitable for families. Princess Cruises is the seventh and final best cruise line for children and families. Princess Cruises offers entertaining children's and teen-oriented programs, including as themed parties, game rooms, and youth facilities. Additionally, they provide family-friendly shore excursions. The following advice while choosing a cruise. Itinerary. Pick an itinerary that includes kid-friendly shore excursions and activities. Think about traveling to places with family-friendly attractions. Look for cruise lines that offer a variety of kid-friendly onboard activities and amenities like pools, sports spaces, and theaters. Check to see if the cruise offers age-appropriate activities in supervised kids clubs. This can allow parents to unwind while their kids are participating in pleasurable and safe activities. Safety precautions. Ensure that the cruise company has adequate safety precautions in place, such as secure kids' club facilities and lifeguards at pools. Dining options. Family-friendly cruises frequently provide a variety of dining options, including kid-friendly menus. Accommodations. Take into account family-friendly cabin alternatives, such as adjoining rooms or suites with additional space. Reviews. To learn more about other families' experiences traveling on cruises with kids, read reviews from those families. Keep in mind that the best cruise for kids will vary depending on your family's tastes, your kids' ages, and the kind of experience you're looking for. Before making a choice, it's a good idea to get in touch with the cruise companies directly and inquire about their special family-friendly options.